all because I know what I want.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me for another video. If you're new here, welcome, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. So today we'll just be unpacking and organizing my closet, and you guys, it is a whole mess. Okay, so first of all, I didn't have that many hangers here. I just had a few of what I brought with me, but I know I had hangers coming within my stuff. I just didn't know it was gonna take so long to get here. So that's a part of why my closet is looking a whole mess. Second, it just look a mess because it just look a mess, okay? But we're gonna go ahead and handle that today in this video. And yeah, I'm trying not to explain too much because you guys can definitely see what's going on. But here, I'm just going through my winter clothes, just checking to see what I want and what I don't want, and if I could get rid of some things. I got rid of a lot of things before I even got here, so like packing and doing all the things before coming, I was just getting rid of things that I knew I wasn't gonna wear again, things I haven't worn in a long time. And I've kind of switched up my style just a little bit. I don't even really know if you can call it a style. I've just switched to more so neutrals, I guess, just things that are kind of go with some of everything basically.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
So here I'm just going through some of the things that were already here. I'm just going through those piles, just making sure that I want everything in those piles before I start hanging them up.
To use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want.
Also, before we get too deep in it, I have a slight OCD when it comes to organizing my things. Like, I just feel like everything should have a home. So when I'm doing my closet, you'll see that things are color coordinated. They are put in place by like tank tops, crop top, tank tops, crop tops, regular tees, just everything. And everything is color coordinated. It's just something that I can't help. It looks better to me, and yeah, I just like it like that. I also make sure that my jeans are color coordinated as well, and they all have to face a certain way. I know, call me crazy, but it's just something that I have to do. And I know I can't be the only person that does this.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my.
At this point, I realized that I ran out of hangers, so I just finished clearing out that box and then just did what I could until the next day.
Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
So clearly I underestimated the amount of fall and winter clothes that I had. So I went and got another container. This was one that I already had, and I just finished filling this one with the rest of the fall and winter clothes.
Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your.
In this process, I didn't keep any like extra boxes, shoe boxes, purse boxes, bags, anything. The only bag I kept was that pink bag, and it's because it had some stuff in it before they packed it up. I have no idea why they packed the bag. I don't know, but it came in handy when I needed to pack some just random things in it. And I also made sure to pack the clothes that I wasn't going to wear while I was here. I felt like I just didn't need them, or my winter shoes, like boots and stuff like that, in that blue box.
My way to meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Oh, just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me, give it to me,
So since I didn't really have much space, drawer space that is, I actually decided to go ahead and hang like my swimsuits, the swim covers. I hung my gym clothes as well, and that's something that I normally don't do. But I think I actually might keep it up once we leave here. I like not having to have as many dressers and just all this drawer space, just things that take up space. I like not having those things around as much. So I think I might keep this up. And I apologize for this angle, you guys. I didn't realize that you couldn't see what was going on in the drawers, but I'm just going through everything, making sure that it's what I want. I'm just organizing it and color coordinating once again.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.
These gray separators, I actually got these from, like, I want to say it was TJ Maxx or either Home Goods when I was back in the States. I think it came in a pack of 6 or 7 if I'm not mistaken. It was something like that. The white ones I actually got from Daiso here, and those are just the panty organizers or whatever, and I actually like it. It helps me to stay organized and all that stuff, and since I don't have a lot of drawer space, I needed somewhere to put that type of thing.
You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up.
And after hours of unpacking and organizing, I am finally finished with my closet, and this is what it looks like. I am very happy with it. Everything has a home. Everything is color coordinated and it looks neat just like I like it. And yeah, we can move on with our lives now. But I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps me to know that you do actually like this type of content and you want to see more of it. So if you do, just don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.